Cooked rice, while a staple in many diets around the world, often falls short in terms of nutritional content when consumed plain. However, by adding specific ingredients, you can significantly enhance its nutritional profile, turning a simple side dish into a powerhouse of health benefits. This video delves into 5 key additions that can transform your cooked rice into a nutrient-dense meal component. Nuts and seeds are excellent additions to cooked rice, offering a blend of healthy fats, proteins, and fiber. For instance, almonds are rich in vitamin E, magnesium, and healthy fats, while chia seeds provide omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. The healthy fats in nuts and seeds can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Additionally, the fiber and protein content can aid in satiety, helping with weight management. Certain nuts like walnuts are known for their brain-boosting properties due to their high levels of DHA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid. To incorporate nuts and seeds into your rice, mix toasted nuts or seeds into your cooked rice. For seeds like chia, allow them to soak in water or broth before adding to rice to enhance their digestibility and nutritional availability. Dried fruits and herbs are another great way to boost the nutritional value of your cooked rice. Dried fruits like cranberries and apricots are packed with antioxidants, fiber, and vitamins. Herbs such as thyme and rosemary add not only flavor but also antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. The antioxidant properties of both dried fruits and herbs can help protect the body from oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. The fiber in dried fruits can support digestive health, while certain herbs may aid in digestion and reduce symptoms of indigestion. Herbs also add a variety of flavors without the need for extra salt or sugar. To add dried fruits and herbs to your rice, sprinkle them over your cooked rice or mix them in while the rice is still warm to allow the flavors to meld. Spices like turmeric, cumin, and coriander are not only flavorful but also packed with antioxidants and have anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Many spices have been shown to reduce inflammation, which can help in managing chronic diseases. Spices can also aid digestion and reduce symptoms of bloating and gas. Additionally, spices are rich in antioxidants, which can help protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. To incorporate spices into your rice, mix them into your rice while it cooks or sprinkle them over cooked rice. Certain spices like turmeric can be added to the water for cooking rice for an evenly distributed flavor and nutritional benefit. Grilled vegetables like broccoli, carrots, and bell peppers are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They add texture, flavor, and a burst of nutrients to plain rice. Vegetables are excellent sources of vitamins A, C, and K, and minerals like potassium. The fiber in vegetables can support digestive health and satiety. Many vegetables are also high in antioxidants, which can help protect against chronic diseases. To add grilled vegetables to your rice, grill or roast your favorite vegetables and mix them into cooked rice. Consider adding a squeeze of lemon juice or a sprinkle of herbs for extra flavor. Legumes like lentils, chickpeas, and black beans are rich in protein, fiber, and essential minerals like iron and zinc. When combined with rice, they form a complete protein, providing all 9 essential amino acids. Combining legumes with rice creates a complete protein source, essential for muscle repair and growth. Legumes are high in fiber, supporting digestive health and satiety. They are also excellent sources of minerals like iron, zinc, and potassium. To incorporate legumes into your rice, cook them according to package instructions and mix them into your cooked rice. Season with spices and herbs for added flavor. Enhancing cooked rice with nuts, seeds, dried fruits, herbs, spices, grilled vegetables, and legumes not only boosts its nutritional value but also adds variety and flavor to your meals. By incorporating these ingredients, you can transform a simple side dish into a nutrient-dense meal component that supports overall health and well-being.